congratulations to the team SSS Kabalikat. Of course, we have here our two best players of this ball game, Team Captain Maki Escalona and Carl Kiambao. Unahin ko na po, Maki Escalona, I know you're unwell going into this ball game. May sakit ka daw, pero kamusta ka na after that game?
First of all, nagpapasalamat kami yung buong SSS. 5-0 yung start namin. This year, not just this season, but the past season, lots to be thankful for. Maraming salamat sa Diyos, SSS community, sa mga pamilya namin. Gusto lang namin matapos tong taon na to in a high note at gusto namin mag-enjoy kami kasi Christmas party namin mamaya.
Yun pala yun, Maki. Nakatulong ba? Because as we all know, former teammates mo ang GSIS. So nakatulong ba yan sa pag-formulate nyo ng game plan sa SSS?
Anytime, sabi nga nila, Battle of the Pensioners, so it's a very friendly competition on our end. They are well coached, Coach Cholo, we are well coached, Coach Bon, Coach Ronald. So I think pareho lang yung matchups. It's just a matter of sino yung who will it in the last fourth quarter.
So how will the SSS spend their holiday break? No, you still have 2 more games next year, so that will be against the DOJ and Judiciary.
Hindi kami pwede magpataba. Ayun na namin, we have been putting in the work. Some of the people say na malakas kami, hindi totoo yun. I think amongst the teams, we work the hardest. That's why we are where we are right now. So we will do the same thing over the break.
Go ahead dun sa mga gusto mong batiin at pasalamatan para sa larong ito.
Congratulations to our new PCEO, PCEO Declaro. Ang mga SSS bosses nandyan, sila SVP Ernie, SSS community. I know by next year, mas marami pa kayong manonood. Sa mga pamilya namin na lagi nandyan, my family, Christmas party muna kami ng SSS, so late ako uwi.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Maki. Congratulations again. Now we move towards Carl Kiambao. Napakaganda ng performance mo for today's ball game. Ang ganda because you had 18 points, 14 rebounds, double digits in both ends. Talaga bang pinagandaan mo tong game na to kasi feeling mo matcha-challenge ka with the GSIS?
Challenge kasi ako ng mga nila boss namin, ng mga coaches namin kasi last game pangit yung laro ko, wala akong rebound. Kaya pinus ko yung sarili ko na babawi ako ngayong game na to.
What about for the other games? You still have 2 more games remaining on the first round. Mas gagalingan mo din ba? Magsiset ka ba ng standard when it comes to your points?
Wala, gagawin lang ng lahat ng namin. Kung anong game plan namin, yun lang.
Carl, how are you spending your holiday break?
Wala, bawal kaming magpahinga kasi yung 5-0 na to, baliwala sa next game kung magpapabaya kami sa katawan namin. Stay pa rin kami sa conditioning.
Sino mga naging motivation mo, inspiration mo for this ball game? Go ahead and read them out.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ko kay Lord na binigay ng lakas sa amin sa laro na to. At nagpapasalamat ako sa management, sa SSS, lahat ng sumuporta dito, kila Boss Ernie Francisco, tapos sa misis ko na nandito, at saka sa anak ko, Scarly, at saka sa Pampanga, mga kapatid ko, ate ko, mga pamangking ko, at saka yun sa Canada, si Christian and Lisel. Tapos mga boss ko sa League, CW, tapos Magneto, tapos Prime Gear, EJ. Salamat, B1. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Carl Kiambao. And of course, we will see you again at ang Team SSS with the GSIS also next year po yan. Meaning to say, mag-holiday break po muna tayo dito sa UNTV Sports and Charity and we'll be back for more action on January 5 po yan.